The maiden voyage.
Oh, fuck. Oh, shit.
Ready for this?
I hope so. Okay, let go.
No, actually, he should push you.
Yeah.
Fuck you.
Well, it's
I was
like
gonna say, do you want me to help you get some momentum?
No,
yeah, it's like training wheels.
It's harder to gain momentum with these than
Andrew's your training wheel.
it shouldn't be.
Oh God!
I'm just concerned about the seat.
Please be America's funniest video quality fall.
Fuck you. The stem's not straight.
That's so cool, dude.
Wow!
Totally upright.
Hey, what's up?
It's maiden voyage.
Right on. There he is. Super tall Dave.
First time on a bike, sorry.
How's it feel riding a bike that tall, man?
It's weird.
How are you gonna stop?
I don't know.
Because I want to get the stop on video.
I think I have it. I think while rolling I can
I
step
want to
down.
get the high five on video.
I got it.
Sure.
We didn't get it.
Oh.
Let's try again.
Only one turn around.
Okay, baby, we're gonna go home in a minute. Just gotta wait for Daddy.
Yeah. All right. Oh, poor baby.
Wow. I need to straighten that.